When you're looking for employment, there are basic rights that you should be aware of. These basic rights can mean the difference between getting a fair opportunity for employment or being denied unfairly. It is critical to know your rights. In employment, you have a right not to be discriminated against based on your race, sex, including gender identity or gender expression, pregnancy and pregnancy-related medical conditions, sexual orientation, age, religion, color, ancestry, disability, domestic violence status, or sexual violence victim status, marital status, arrest and court records, breastfeeding, credit history, National Guard participation during employment-related activities. Examples of employment-related activities include the job application process, hiring, promotion, termination, compensation, or terms and conditions of employment. For example, job responsibilities, benefits, length of employment, pay, salary, etc. In Hawaii, you have the right to health insurance if you work 20 hours or more per week. Here are some examples of what is not allowed. An employer cannot refuse to hire a woman because she is pregnant. An employer cannot refuse to interview or hire a person because he is of a specific race or color. An employer must provide reasonable accommodation for physical and mental disabilities.
For example, if an employee is required to take medication during the workday, an employer must allow them to do so.
Your employer cannot tell you that you have already taken your 10-minute break and that you will have to wait until after your shift is over. Another example, if you need a video phone installed in your workplace or if you need an interpreter for a meeting, you have the right to ask your employer for one. You cannot be denied consideration for a position based on your disability. For example, if you apply for a job and receive an interview offer, you cannot be turned away because you have a disability and/or requested reasonable accommodations, such as a sign language interpreter. If you have been a victim of employment discrimination, or if you have any questions, go to the Hawaii Civil Rights Commission. They're here to help.